How to measure and install an insect screen for an A L Awning Window chain winder with a bottom channel. Measuring an insect screen to an A L Awning window seems easy, but always use caution and recheck your measurements before sending them to the ordering portal. The width is measured from the left side of the window jamb to the right side of the window jamb. The opening size width is 1300 millimeters. We usually deduct 2 millimeters for the manufacturing size. Manufacture size is 1298 millimeters. Measure the drop from the bottom of the channel where the insect screen will sit to the top of the window frame. The opening size is 503 millimeters. Deduct 2 millimeters for a manufacture size of 501 millimeters. If the measurements are correct, you can add to the ordering portal and complete your quoting process. Installing the window screen. First, mark and push pins with Nico or whiteout for hole location. Place the insect screen into the installed position and push the pin to mark the frame. Then remove the screen and pre-drill the holes. Put the screen back into the frame to engage the push pins. Fit the push pins to complete the installation. There you go, another tutorial on how to measure and install an insect screen for an A L Awning Window chain winder with a bottom channel. Subscribe to the Starline Security channel for more videos on how to measure and install insect screens.